Hello everyone, welcome back to English class. Today we are going to continue here our previous topic, and the topic name is A Good Citizen. It was your lesson number 6, in which we have completed all the question answer of this chapter. Now come to the fill in the blanks part. Okay, here you have to fill the correct word. So in the first sentence, Neeta is planning to visit Kashmir in summer vacation. The correct word is here vacation. Next one, Garima is excited. Here we have to put this word excited to see her gift. C part, the teacher spoke to Manish politely. Here you have to write this word. D part, Karthik enjoyed his ride on the bicycle. So here in the D part you have to write this word enjoyed. And at the end, E part, question number E, Preeti's irresponsible behavior has caused her a lot of trouble. So here in the last E part you have to fill this word. So this was all about the fill in the blanks. Now move towards the another part. Here you have to match the words given in column A with their meaning given in column B. But student, remember what is the right way to match the following here? At first you will write the word given in the column A. Suppose that the fountain is written in left side, it is under column A, and what is the correct meaning of this word? Fountain. That means water that is forced up into air through small. So here you have to write this part, this meaning just in front of the fountain. Similarly, whatever is correct answer, you will write just in front of wastage. आपको यहाँ पे ध्यान देना है कि हमें क्रॉस करके मैच नहीं करना है. हमें कैसे मैच करना है? जो भी इस वर्ड का मीनिंग यानी जो करेक्ट आंसर है उसे आपको डैश लगा के यहाँ पे उसके सामने उसका आंसर लिखना है. सपोज दैट मैंने बताया अभी कि वेस्टेज का मतलब क्या होता है, तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर है यूजलेस थिंग्स thrown in the dustbin. So you will write this useless things thrown in the dustbin just in front of the wastage. Alright? So similarly you have to write everything. Tripped. In front of the tripped you will write this one C part. In front of the plugged you will write to remove flowers from its branch. And then bouquet. Just in front of the bouquet what you will write? Bunch of flowers. Now come to the another part, language practice, where you have to write the feminine gender of the following masculine gender. So you have to write here whatever words is given is feminine gender you have to write. I already taught you gender and its type. So what should I write here? Uncles. Answer already written here. I have written uncle, aunt. Old man, old. Woman, here. Father, mother. Headmaster, headmistress. Landlord, landlady. Milkman, milkwoman. Okay. Now come to the punctuation part. Here you have to punctuate the following sentences. यहाँ आपको बहुत सारे सेंटेंसेस लिखे हुए हैं, इसमें आपको पंक्चुएशन मार्क का यूज़ करना है. दैट मीन्स करेक्ट यूज़ ऑफ कैपिटल लेटर्स, फुल स्टॉप, कॉमास, क्वेश्चन मार्क एंड द इन्वर्टेड कॉमास. आपको मैं पढ़ा चुकी हूँ पंक्चुएशन, जिसमें आपको मैंने बताया था इन सभी मार्क्स को कहाँ कहाँ पर यूज़ करते हैं. सो हियर यू हैव टू यूज़ सी ए पार्ट. Rachel is on vacation. So here you have to put the full stop at the end, and at first here Rachel is written in a small letter. you have to write the first letter of Rachel in capital letter. Alright. Similarly here come to the big number question. Here make small a, just remove this small n, make it capital letter A. And then Brindavan, B should be capital here and here should be full stop. C question, R should be capital in the Rachel and after that exclaimed, just after exclaimed here you need to use comma, and after that wow, before wow you have to use inverted commas, and at the end here you have to write here the exclamation mark and after that inverted comma. Similarly, you have to complete D, E, F. So this was all about the remaining exercise of the lesson 6, A Good Citizen. So you are requested to complete this work today only. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.